Okay, hello everyone. So I will be going over the inner planets with you, just the first page of the song. So let's get to it. Right off the bat, we notice that we are in C major, but as we look through, we're like, whoa, there are a lot of accidentals. Well, it's okay, we'll learn this. And we're in 6/8 time. So what this means, so let me explain this. So beats are different from time. Pulses, sorry. So there's a difference between a beat and a pulse. So there are 6 beats per measure, but the pulse, which is what we conduct in, is 2. So there's 2 pulses per measure, but there's 6 beats per measure. So we count the beats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But when this is conducted, it's conducted in 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. That's how it's going to be conducted when we play this next year with him. Okay, let me explain the rhythms. So we have 6 8 notes per bar. So we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this completes our requirement of 6 8 notes per bar. So we have to count, and I put this line here because it's again conducted in pulses of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The emphasis is placed on the 4. It's even when we count. So it's like kind of like triple it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's move on to something more challenging. Here, the rests are a little bit more dispersed. Not here, but here and here. So let's look at this. So I'll snap it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So nothing too extravagant, it doesn't get more complex than an 8th note. We don't have really many 16th notes in this song. Let's move on to right here. Okay, now looking at the third line, just the top division, I want to break this down. So there are 6 8th notes per bar, correct? And we have the little division right here because there's an emphasis on the 4 due to like our pulse. So you might be thinking like, wait, how many does this have? Not to fear. We just have to do a little bit of like fractions and stuff. So this splits into a quarter note plus an 8th note, because whenever there's a dot next to a note, the half of its value is added to it. So we play it for like half amount more, if that makes sense. So we have a quarter note plus an 8th note. And this quarter note can be broken down into 2 8th notes. So we have 3 8th notes, this gets 3 8th notes. Then this is a bit more simple. We recall that an quarter note has 2 8th notes, 2 8th notes, 1 8th note, 3 plus 3 is 6. And then we just apply that knowledge to the rest of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And I'm just cutting off on the downbeat here. So that's pretty simple. Let's move on to the rhythm of these bottom division. So again, this does not have a little tail, so you don't want to play this for one beat. That's a common mistake some people make, that I made when I first looked at it. But we recall that this is 2, 1, 2, 1. Oh, that's another way you can count it. You can just count like the numerical value of the beats in the note. For instance, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. That's not wrong, but it does get confusing when you play with the orchestra and stuff. It's good like for getting the rhythm, but once you have it, try applying the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. So now I'll snap it out. Or first I'll do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's move on to the next 2. Or next 3. Let's just do the next 3. So this is a quarter note rest, so we know that this is 2 8th notes. Those are sucky 8th notes, but you get it. This is a quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it doesn't get much more complex than that. This is like, I'd say, the hardest part of the whole first page. So I hope this helps, and now I'm gonna play it on the violin for you guys. Okay, hello everyone. So now I'm going to be playing the violin so you guys can hear it and then play along with me. So I'll just cue whenever. Okay. So what we're gonna do. Okay, So we're going to be playing this at 40 BPM. So first, let's internalize it. You can like step to it, clap your hands, snap your fingers like I am, or like blink your eyes or something. Just do something to internalize it. Oh, there's like an echo in my room. It's gone. But now that we've internalized it, let's count the 6. Let's apply the 6/8 time to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now that we've internalized it and we've applied our time signature to it, let's play it. So right now, don't worry about bowing or dynamics. Just focus on your intonation and most importantly, rhythm. Well, not most importantly, but that's why we're here, to focus on rhythm. Okay, now that we've internalized it and we've applied our time signature to it, let's play it. So the first time, I want you guys to just listen and like count along as I'm playing. Then the second time I play it, like play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. 2, 3. 5, 6. 5, 6. Oh, it's a sorry, but yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go over the second measure. So second line. Sorry. So again, like I'll play it, you count along, then the second time we'll play together. Fine. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay. So pick up your violin, let's play together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Good job. We're all rock stars. Now let's move on to the third line, both divisions. I'll go over the first division right now. It's just playing the harmonic, but I want to go over rhythms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's play together. Get your harmonic or your E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Cool, we're all rock stars. Now let's move on to the second bottom part of the division. So I'll play it, follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Cool. Now let's play together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Cool. We all deserve golden stars. So now, really quick, I want to go over measure 26. So I'm just gonna go over a quick exercise. So heavier B. You definitely have to play this one as a harmonic. It's written in the music. So a little exercise. So you can either do this one. So you can so what we're doing here is we're playing first finger B, fourth finger B, then sliding up with our fourth finger to the harmonic. How you know you're there is when your thumb, when your thumb is touching this part, it's in this little curve. The base of your hand is touching your violin right here, and your fourth finger is like very dangerously close to like the point of contact. This is where you would like pizzicato. That's a B. Another way we can do it, since the shift in the music is from the E to the B, we're gonna still play the first finger, go up to the harmonic of the E, oops, then we still have the B in mind, so we go, then go back down. I still have the metronome on, I'm so sorry. Oops. Okay, and Andrea can explain that more in depth to you guys. But I think that's all. Like, I trust Andrea that she can go over the rest of the movement. And I wish you guys luck. Yeah.